Finally, there's a fantastic new tool for cleaning out water heaters, and it's called the Turbo Tank Cleaner. If you own a water heater or know somebody that does, then you have got to see this video. Over 90% of all water heaters are replaced needlessly, and the #1 contributing cause is sediment buildup. Over time, massive amounts of sediment will build up in the bottom of your water heater. It'll shorten its life, decrease its efficiency, it can plug up your plumbing fixtures, and probably the worst thing of all, it'll bury and burn out your lower elements, causing a severe shortage of hot water. The problem is that the modern water heater is engineered to be a disposable item, and it is designed not to be cleaned. Flushing, as you know, just simply doesn't work, and other methods of cleaning are extremely labor intensive, so people just throw them away. Now, with the Turbo Tank Cleaner, it is much easier to clean and replace than it is to repair. So if your tank isn't leaking, please don't let a plumber try and talk you into buying a brand new water heater. Just put a Turbo Tank Cleaner in your tank and keep your money in the bank. Well, here's how this thing works. The first thing you need to do is turn off the electricity or the gas to your hot water heater and drain the tank. Then you replace your tank's drain valve with the Turbo Tank Cleaner. This long kinked agitator is shoved right up through all the sediment, and then the tool is screwed into place. Next, you put a garden hose on the discharge end of your tool and run it outside. Then you put a drill on the shaft of the tool right here. You put the water back in your water heater and leave it on and under full water pressure. Then you start spinning the shaft with the drill. This agitator will flop around inside the sediment and stir it up. The flow of water will sweep it right to the mouth of the tool where it is met by the auger here. The auger will bust it up, pull it inside, and it prevents plugging. Once inside, the sediment is ground up with the water to produce a fine slurry that is discharged out through the garden hose to a remote disposal area. Now, I'm here to tell you this thing works great. It's made in the USA, it's built tough and made to last. It'll pay for itself the very first time you use it, and I'm confident that over the years it'll save you, your family, and friends literally thousands of dollars. The parts to repair your water heater are inexpensive, they're sold everywhere, and relatively easy to replace. So just remember, if your tank isn't leaking, there should be no reason to replace it.